Apple is the rock star of today's tech news, and oh boy, do we have a juicy story for you. First off, there's big shakeups on the Apple ship with CFO Luca Maestri set to step down on January 1st, 2025. Taking the financial helm will be Kevan Parekh, the current VP of Financial Planning and Analysis. While Maestri isn't headed off into the sunset just yet, investors are keeping a hawk's eye on how this transition will play out. JP Morgan's Samik Chatterjee is optimistic, suggesting investors shouldn't expect much to change in the way Apple is run. The company's history of smooth sales continues. However, KeyBank analyst Brandon Nispo rings a softer alarm, marking the change as a modest negative for Apple stock in the short term. But don't panic buy or sell yet. Apple has set up a transition period, hoping to make this as drama-free as possible. And let's not forget the big product news. Apple sent out invites for its September 9th Glowtime event, teasing what could be the biggest product upgrade cycle ever. Yep, we're talking about the AI-enabled iPhone 16. Daniel Ives over at Wedbush is so pumped he's called this the biggest upgrade cycle in history, predicting initial shipments of over 90 million units, with a 2025 projection clocking in over 240 million iPhone sales. That's an Avengers-level supercycle, folks. The iPhone 16 isn't just another pretty face. Apple is expected to introduce upgrades in processing power, camera tech, and larger, more beautiful displays in the Pro models. Add to that an AI kick, and developers are licking their lips over the possibilities for generative AI-driven apps. This AI angle could open new high-margin revenue streams, tipping Apple's market cap past the $4 trillion mark. Talk about potential rocket fuel. Not to be outdone, the Apple Watch Series 10, along with its budget-friendly cousin, the SE, and the rugged Ultra 3, are also expected to make their debut at this event. We might even see a refreshed iPad mini 7 sneak in there too. AI-enabled, of course. So, to buy or not to buy Apple stock before the big day? Despite recent flat financial results and Warren Buffett trimming some of his Apple holdings, analysts like Dan Ives think this launch could be a game-changer. With inflation easing a bit, now might just be the perfect time. With a price-to-earnings ratio hinting at undervaluation compared to industry norms and robust return on equity, Apple looks pretty appetizing for long-term investors. However, those who jump in high hoping for a quick bump must tread cautiously. Follow the news closely and watch for any signs of hiccups during the CFO transition or product rollout. In summary, Apple's juggling a CFO switch, an anticipated blockbuster iPhone launch, a ton of product updates, and investor sentiment that's hotter than an iPhone left in the sun. With all eyes on September 9th, next week is going to be pivotal, so keep your popcorn ready, folks. This Apple saga is just getting started. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.